This is so cool. Look at this. It just might snow tonight. Who's excited for snow?
Snow will be nice.
Oh, it could just snow. This is exciting because it's not even Thanksgiving yet. We are like middle of November, not even the middle yet. We're almost there. And right now, 56 degrees, so that's via the weather station up on the roof. But tonight we are supposed to have what us Californians have been looking forward to for a long time. It's called the fallout, right? So everyone talks about the bottom dropping out, and basically that's what's going to happen tonight. It's warm right now, but come around midnight, temperatures are going to drop. We're supposed to have rain coming in, and the rain is supposed to turn into sleet, which is going to turn into snow. Around 4 or 5 a.m. they're guessing it's supposed to drop, and be about 20 degrees. So we are ecstatic because this is going to be the first snow for us back here in Tennessee. Now, when we first moved into our home in Horse Thief in Temescal Valley, that first year that we moved in, New Year's Eve, it snowed. So it would only be fitting that the first year that we move into a new spot in Tennessee, it snows, right? So they're not expecting a lot of snow. It's very light. It's, maybe an inch. Could be up to 3 inches, who knows? It kind of varies. Tennessee likes to do its own thing with weather, we are figuring out. It could be just a dusting. Now, I have set multiple alarms. I've set 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m. I am going to keep waking up until I see this turn to the white stuff. So it's like 3:45, nothing yet, but it is cold outside. Like, it got real cold. I checked it earlier. It was just raining, it was warm. This is cold. Like, it should switch anytime now. I'm anticipating like 4 o'clock, maybe like 10 more minutes. I don't even know. It's like 4 a.m. right now. Everyone else is asleep. And I'm out here in the snow, just loving it right now. This is everything I wanted. I'm so happy right now. This is so cool. Look at this. It's so pretty. Wow. So it's like 6:15, kids are finally getting up, gonna get ready for school. They're just checking out the snow. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Cool thing is it stops at like 8. It's not enough to stick on the roads and stuff yet, you know, because the roads are still warm, so it's not a driving issue. Now out here, y'all got these duck boots. I was doubting them. I was a hater at first, but they're nice. They come in handy, especially in this. My feet ain't getting soaked. They were getting soaked earlier with my other boots. It's coming in handy, coming in clutch. I could just stand out here all day. This is... All right, what do you think?
I love it.
Yeah?
All the snow in our front yard.
This is so exciting. Like she was just saying, Tennessee's weather is bi-freaking polar, because it was
3 yesterday.
63 yesterday. It was gorgeous. You could be out and about just doing your thing, and then you wake up and you got snow in your front yard. And then the snow's going to be gone too later by the end of the day, and then tomorrow's going to be another nice day probably. Look at this. Woo! There's just snow everywhere. Oh, I hope it sticks. I gotta take the kids to school, but I want to get the drone up. What is this stuff, huh? What is this stuff? What is this stuff for a little cattle dog? Oh. All I wanted to do was take the drone up and try to get like, you know, cool landscape shot, you know, see how everything looks, but I just ran into a tree and it broke.
What did you break in it?
The arm. Oh, good thing for the DJI Care Refresh.
How did you run it into the tree?
I don't know, it did its own, like, the tree is just there and it ran into it. Today, this is a cool snow event. This is where you want seasons. This is the kind of snow you want because it's gone. Like by the end of the day, it didn't affect the roads, it didn't affect driving at all. You don't gotta go snow, you don't gotta plow your driveway, you don't gotta shovel your sidewalk, you don't gotta do any of that stuff. But you can enjoy it, you get to see how pretty it is, and it just makes the landscape gorgeous, and then it's gone. But I mean, it's still, like, look at in the trees and stuff, and like, see, and then that's a good thing. I can always go down here and I can borrow my brother-in-law's drone, get those shots from up above. Wish I had done it sooner so you could have seen more snow because it's kind of melted off now that it's in the afternoon, but still a good day, still good sights, and still gorgeous. Tennessee, love you.